press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, how are you? I hope that all are doing good. So today I am here with you with the same lesson. I am going to continue it today. Okay, the name of the lesson is what happened to the reptiles. Okay, we have stopped this lesson in the last class. Okay, so let's see the brief look over the last class. Okay, so this lesson, the story is about a Prem. So Prem is a boy who was living in a village which is far away from the Pambupati. So because in his village, so people were in it terrible, they were out of control, they were burnt the houses and even the temples and mosques. So they are having a lot of hatredness among themselves, so they burned the houses. So in that, this Prem and other people, they all ran away from their villages. Okay, so then he was running and running, then he reached to the Pambupati. Okay, so then he is this is narrating story. The first narrator is here, that is Prem. And after that, when he reached to the Pambupati, he met to the old man, and there he was taking care of this Prem, and there he used to say the story. Okay, he said story about this Pambupati, and he said him, and when you go to your village and you can say this story. Okay, at least they can live their life in their own way. Okay, so like that, this old man, that is who the Prem is calling that old man a grandfather. So he says the story of Pambupati. Okay, so what is the story about Pambupati? So the story about Pambupati, where it was a long back, where in the Pambupati there were no people, people were living but there were no animals. Okay, so animals like tigers, elephants and panthers were not there, but the children, there were no teachers and no schools. Okay, the children were living in the caves with the parents, and they used to collect the fruits, fruits and berries for the food. Okay, so at that time these reptiles were living in this Pambupati, and for that there was a leader. The leader is Makara. Okay, so Makara, he was very powerful and he was very strong. So what he was doing there, he was misusing the power. So one day, every time they were organized the meetings. Okay, so once in a month they were organized the meeting, and one day he decided that the tortoises, they have to leave the forest. Okay, so because he given the reasons also, because they were slow and they were stupid, and they were always carry their houses on their back. Okay, because of their shells on their back. So because of that reason, he said to leave the forest. So like this, the story we have end up with the last class. Let's see in the today's class how the story continues. And by the following Tuesday, they were all gone. At first the animals were sad, but then they realized that what Makara had said was true. Okay, by following day, the next Tuesday, there were no single tortoises in this jungle, in this forest. So everybody they were silent and they were very sad, because the tortoises are living here from this place. And later they have realized that maybe this Makara is right in his place, so we don't want tortoises in our forest. Okay, but there was more food, more water and more space for them. But soon a strange smell began to fill the forest. Okay, so everybody was quiet, because this Makara was said that they will get more food and more water and more space. But after some days, so there were a rotten smell on the rivers and also ponds. Okay, a smell to fill the forest. It was the smell of a rotting fruit on the ground, rotting animals in the river. Okay, in the river and in the forest there was a rotten smell. Okay, the smell like rotten means it's rot means a decomposing of some fruits and some of the waste. Okay, so when it was decomposing, there was a unwanted smell it was. Okay, so everybody, all the reptiles, they were sensing that. Okay, so they were smelling that there was a rotten smell in the forest. Okay, because this tortoises, they used to eat only this. Okay, So this is like they were used to eat the fungus or some of the fruits which is rotten. So there is the food, okay, that is the food of the tortoises. And now they were not there, then who will eat it? Then it was the smell of rotting fruit on the ground, rotting animals in the river. This was the what the tortoises used to eat. And even Makra had to go about holding his nose with his big claws. And even this Makra is also holding the nose because he can't resist the smell of the rotten. Okay. A month passed by and then the same thing happened all over again. So like this way the month passed and some of the thing was happened again. The thing was repeating again. What it is? But this time it was the snakes. Now the next turn is about snakes. Okay. Now the snake, they have to leave. Makra wrote them one of his letters. They were leave to the forest, and since they could move fast, they had to go in a day. Okay, so like this, the letter was sent by Makra. So Makra sent a letter to the snakes. They have to leave the forest. Okay, so as they you know that the snakes were moving fast, so he has given a day to leave them, to leave this forest. Like that he has written. Naga, the head of the snakes, pleaded for more time, but Makra would not give in. So Naga, he was the head of the snakes, so he pleaded. Pleaded means he requested to Makra to give some more time, okay, to leave the forest. But this Makra was not listen any words from this snake. At the meeting, he silenced the others, the lizards and crocodiles, with even louder shouts, the threats. Snakes are slimy, he said, and they make funny noises. Okay, so now he gives everybody, when reptiles and other reptiles like lizards and crocodiles, when they listen this, now this Makra listen, and they were shouting in this meeting. So now the Makra says to this lizards and crocodiles, because snakes are very slimy and they are making the funny noises. Okay, so because of that they have to leave the forest. Then, and they make funny noises. Who want such a weird creatures around? Okay, so he says weird means it was a strange creatures. These snakes are very strange creatures, so that's why they have to leave the forest. Again, no one dared to disagree with the Makra, so the snakes left. Now, no one has the daring thing. No one have the courage to ask the question to Makra, and later the snakes left this forest. For a while, the animals of the forest were happy because they had been a little afraid of the snakes. Okay, so you know the snakes were, not even the humans are afraid, because some of the animals also afraid. So in this world of reptiles, even some of the animals were happy when they were saw that no snakes were there in the forest. Okay, they feels happy because they were afraid about the snakes. You never knew when of them might lose his temper and spit some venom at you, and it took only a little poison to kill you after all. So they have another reasons. What the reasons here? So when they will get angered and when they will spit the venom means poison. Okay, when they will spit some poison on someone, and even the little poison is enough to kill somebody. So because of that reason they were happy. Okay, the snakes were also left this Pambupati. So this is next. Now the next whose turn will come. Now you people will guess it. Okay, let's see. The lizards were also ordered to leave. The whole forest now belonged to Makra and his group. The crocodiles faced unforeseen problems in the absence of their fellow reptiles. They soon realized that their happiness lay in their fellow creatures, happiness and homecoming. Okay, so in the next thing, what happened here? The lizards also left leave the forest. Okay, now the crocodile and his group, they were living there in the forest, but soon they were facing some of the problems in this forest. Okay, let's see what the problems they were facing in this paragraph. A few weeks passed and the animals of the forest looked tired and fed up. The rats, now that were no snakes to eat them, the rats had taken over the forest and they were having a wonderful time. You know, few weeks were passed and the animals of the forest looked tired and fed up. They become fed up. Why? Because tired and fed up. Why? Because the rats were moving here and there and they were disturbing a lot to the animals there. Okay. Then Because who is eating a rat? Whose meal it is? Snake's meals it is. Okay, that is the rats. But now the no snakes were there, so the rats become very powerful and they have a courage to move here and there. They can disturb them. And they were having a wonderful time. And these rats are having a wonderful and peace time because there were no snakes in that forest. They were everywhere, on the trees, in the grass, in the bushes, on the ground. Okay, so these rats were everywhere. They were on the ground, they were on the trees, and they were on the bushes, and everywhere they were. These rats were. They ate up the eggs of the lizards and crocodiles. Sometimes these rats were ate up the eggs of the lizards and crocodiles. Okay, they were lays. They were lay the eggs. There would be no babies that year. So when this rats were eaten this eggs of lizards and crocodiles, so at that particular year there were no babies. Okay, they were died because of the eating of these rats. Makra's own nest of the eggs had been chewed up. So Makra, he had a nest, so that is also chewed up by the rats. Then Makra had a great idea. He called a meeting of the crocodiles and said, Wouldn't it be wonderful if we the crocodiles could have the whole jungle for ourselves? No one but us. These lizards, now just look at them. They have the strangest habits and some of them even change color. How can we trust someone who is a green 1 minute and red the next? Let's get rid of them. See what the next decision. So he had a problem with the rats, but still he took another decision. So what it is, wouldn't be a wonderful that these lizards also leave the forest? You know, we can't trust these lizards. Why? Because some of the lizards were changed their colors. So in 1 minute they will become a one color and in the next minute they will be the another color. Then how can we trust them? So how it would be if we only the crocodiles in the jungle? If we only rules in this forest? Okay, so now he got the another idea to send these lizards from this forest. Okay, then by now the crocodiles were really scared of Makra. Okay, now who remains there? Only the group of crocodiles remain there and the leader is Makra again. So they clapped and cheered. Now the crocodiles also scared about the Makra and they were cheered and clapped because he has took the good decision. Okay, because they also afraid of Makra, so they can't open their mouth and they don't have their courage to ask the questions. Makra was pleased. Now the Makra is very happy. The lizards left the forest, some with their babies on their backs. So these lizards, they were left the forest. Okay, some they were carries their babies on their back. But now when life should have been wonderful for the crocodiles of Pampupati, all kinds of awful things happened to them. Began to happen. Okay, so now these crocodiles only in this forest. They can live the happy life in this forest, but after some time there are so many strange things were happening in this forest. What it is? To begin with, the rats grew bolder by the day. Okay, the first thing, who is become bolder? Rats were becoming bolder and bolder day by day. Okay, they have the courage, okay, to disturb more and more to these crocodiles. They become so fearless and they jumped and turned some somersaults on the crocodiles' backs. So now they become fearless. These rats were become fearless and they can jump on the crocodile's back and turn some assaults. Some assaults means taking a complete head turn to attack. Okay, so they were ready to attack on these crocodiles, these rats. So that kind of a bolder quality they have got. Who? These rats. Now, and there were too many frogs. So after this there was too many frogs also. Okay, then they seemed to be growing larger and there was no one to eat them but the crocodiles. Okay, so now the frogs are growing they were growing very larger. Okay, and no one is eating, only the crocodile has to eat this who? That is frogs. These huge frogs began to eat the baby crocodiles. Not only the rats were eating the baby crocodiles, even the frogs were also eating these baby crocodiles and the insects And the next part is insects. Insects, now that the lizards were gone, there were millions of them growing bigger and nastier by the day. Okay, those, you know, the food of the lizards were the insects. So now the insects become so many. There were the millions, and they were become a bigger, okay, growing bigger, and they become a nastier. Nastier means they were giving a irritating thing to the crocodiles, okay, because of the these insects. So they were giving a disturbance, they were creating a disturbance and irritating to these crocodiles. It was a terrible time for the crocodiles. They couldn't understand what had happened to their happy forest home. So suddenly the crocodiles can't decided that what it would had happened, because once upon a time we are living very happily. So suddenly what happened to these things? Okay, then one day squeaky little voice piped up at one of their meetings. We know why the forest has gone crazy, don't we? So one day in the meeting, so one of the squeaky little means high pitched up voice has raised it, okay, risen. So what it is, we know that, so why these things were happened, okay. So they know the reasons that means the first tortoises left the forest, then next is the next was the snakes was left the forest, and next was the lizards, they were left the forest because of them. So now we are facing this problem, okay. Now other were understood this. Suddenly everyone was silent. When they said like this, everybody was silent in that. They looked at Makra fearfully, but to their surprise, he looked nervous. So at this point, now the Makra got nervous. Why? Because everybody was looked at the Makra. Because of the Makra decision, so all these crocodiles were facing this kind of a problem. So now the Makra gets nervous. He shook the rat of his tail and asked the small crocodile, "Why, little fellow?" So then he shook his tail, and there were rats on him, and he said, asked the small crocodile then, why it is like this. It all began with the tot. So that someone has answered it. It was started by the tot. Tot means tortoises. Okay, said Makra. So now Makra is also accepted his mistake, what he was done. Okay, there's no need to talk so much. Said, okay, there's no need to talk so much. Makra didn't want to admit he was wrong, but it didn't matter. Okay, so now he says, now don't, he ordered to the crocodiles that no need to talk more, and then because he was accepted because of his mistakes, but he don't want to create a more problem, so that's why he stopped that issue. And all the crocodiles knew now that he was not all the strong or powerful, and now all the crocodiles know that now he is not no more strong and powerful because of the wrong decisions or always right. So he is not right always. Okay, all the crocodiles were understood it now. They sent urgent messages all over the place for the tortoises, snakes and lizards to come back to Pambupati. So he sent an urgent message to the animals, the reptiles, to where they were living. He sent a messages to tortoises, snakes and lizards to come back to their Pambupati village, to place. And what a great day it was when these creatures came back, family after family with their little ones on their backs or strangling behind, shouting at their parents and wait for them. Okay, so that day when all these reptiles were coming to Pambupati one by one, okay, with their families, and someone carries their babies on their back, and someone were shouting with their happily, and the parents were talking very happily, and they were struggling means lagging behind and shouting to their parents to wait for them, okay, to their baby. The babies were shouting at their parents. So like this, in 2 months the forest was back to normal. So after 2 months, the forest was back to normal. The rats disappeared, and the insects and the smell, and the world finally went back to its familiar old self. Because of the comeback of these reptiles, so all the things were come back to the normal place. Okay, so rats were disappeared, even the insects also, and also there was a smell in the rotten smell in the forest that was also disappeared, and so everything, it was a familiar old self. Okay, all are come back to their familiar place. Well, Prem, now the story end. That story was end with this. Okay, the reptiles story, it was end with this because they were came back to their same place. Now this grandfather asking question to the Prem. Okay, so let's see what he is asking. Prem, well, Prem, said the old man, have you fallen asleep? Did my story send you off to dreamland? Okay, so now this old man asked the question to this Prem. So have you fallen asleep? You were slept, and this is the story that it makes you to sleep, or you went to a dreamland? Then I shook my head. He said, no, grandfather, I was just thinking. Because he is also interested in this story, so he was just thinking about it. Maybe it's time I went back to my own village because I have a story to tell them. But what if they don't listen to me? So he asked the question to grandfather. Now, after listen to your story, now it's time to go back to my village. But what happened when they were not listen my story? So he asked the question to grandfather. We can only keep at it, my son. If they were not listen your story, your village people, they were not listen your story, then you can keep that story to yourself and tell to your son. Sorry, my son, tell these stories again and again to more and more people. Okay, so now if the people they were not listen, and who were listen, tell the stories to again and again to more people. Okay, some of them may laugh at you and say your stories are not true. Some of them, they were laugh at you and they were agree that it's not a real story, it's not true story. But they may remember them one day, but the story, they will remember it. Okay, although they were not believed, they were not believe on you, so one day they will remember it is. And understand that each of us has a place in this strange, funny world of ours. Okay, and understand that everyone, even the animals have their own place, even the small creature, even the ant excuse me, that is also has their own place. So why not these people are? Okay, because it's a kind of a funny world here. So each and every creatures, they have their own place in this world. Okay, so like this the story ends. So let's see what is the moral of this lesson. Okay, so now each and every creature has its own place on the earth. Okay, because earth is also a very important to those creatures, and creatures also very important for the earth. Okay, so each and every person, even when the people were hatred to other people, so they don't understand that their importance is also their existence is also very important in this world. Okay, they just forget it, and they were ready to fight with each other. If they remember it, though, if they were there in this world, so it should be good for them also. So they were forget it. Okay, so this is the story about this one of a beautiful story. Okay, what happened to the reptiles. Okay, so through the animals world, we just understand how the human beings have to change. Okay, for the sake of others, we can't develop the hatredness. Okay, so we should have to respect them, respect the other religion. Okay, we should live happily. Okay, each and every creature and even the humans, they have their own place on this earth. Okay, so this is the story of today. I hope that you all are loved and enjoyed it. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, all of you stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.